Ngayon guys, ang pag-uusapan natin kung paano natin malaman na yung mga video natin ay may copyright or copyright siya, hindi may. Kung sakali, if your video it has a copyright, if you wanna know, and let us start it, how is it. And now this is, we're going to, if you are using mobile, yeah, because if you are using laptop it's the same way, and I think you know it everything if you are using laptop. And if you are using mobile, let's go to Chrome and type studio, YouTube studio again, and everything what we need is in the YouTube studio guys. And let us wait only. And here you are, the dashboard. And if you want to see everything, just don't forget always this one, don't forget this dot. Here you are, to change this top side, just click this, so it will be changed also the screen, and everything is here. Now you want to know if your video is copyright, especially with music videos, and you're doing video, you're creating video and you have music background. So let us know how is it going. Now it's here. To see everything, we must to make it zoom, not zone. We have to zoom and click this area, the video sign. Now let us wait the changes, and here we are. Here is all your videos in your channel, and here you are. Now let us check if our video is copyright. Now we found the copyright already in this channel, and we already remove it in the public because it will not monetize in this video, so it's useless. And if the people is keep watching of the video that is not required, it's not, wait, it's blurred, oops, sorry. Okay, now it's here. Now we have to wait because it's blurred. Now here you are, it's like this now. Now did you see this copyright? See, only you have to do is first you have to type it at the Chrome and YouTube studio, and you will click from this side video sign, and you will see all your videos. And after that, review here if there is a copyright. Now here you are, we found this one because this video it has a music background, and I cannot play also because when I upload it with this video, it won't work again, it will see copyright. So we already private this one, so people won't able to see anymore. And if people keep playing with this, it's useless only. And look at the views, 72, but we already keep private. And here you are, and here again, how many videos we have copyright, but it's already private. And here again, and here, that's all. See, this video is from TikTok. We have a video from TikTok, and we have videos also like she's singing. This video, she was singing that time I was with her, and it's even she is the one who is singing, but she's not the original one, this song. So YT is very strict right now, so we have to be careful if you want to be monetize your channel. But at least if your channel is already monetized, maybe you have a chance to upload it like that. So hope guys you learn small things, and hopefully this is really helpful for all of us. Here you are guys, here you are. Now it's not really that much nice, but hopefully at least you get some idea in your own channel, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy, and love to hear, guys, your comments for this video. Thank you so much.